Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling and disabling automatic app downloads on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. With this setting enabled, when you download an app on your phone, it will automatically download to your watch. Tap the digital crown to open the app menu. Then tap the settings cog to open settings. Scroll down the settings and tap App Store. Then tap the toggle to the right of Automatic Downloads to enable or disable automatic downloads. When the toggle is green, automatic downloads are enabled, and when grey, they are not. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.